1. Essential requisites of bailment, movable goods. Only. Only movable property can be bailed, not immovable. Delivery of possession. Actual or constructive delivery must happen. Specific purpose. Goods delivered for a defined purpose. Return of goods. Must be returned after purpose is fulfilled. Contract, express or implied agreement must exist. Example, A deposits his gold with a bank locker. Bank is Bailee, A is Bailor. 2. Kinds of bailment. A. Gratuitous bailment, no consideration on either side. Example, A lends his book to be free of charge. B. Non-gratuitous bailment, consideration involved on both or one side. Example, A gives car to mechanic B for repair for Risson 500. C. Bailment for benefit of Bailor Only. Example, A keeps his luggage at B's house for free. D. Bailment for benefit of Bailee Only. Example, A lends his bicycle to B free of cost. E. Bailment for mutual benefit. Example, A gives clothes to B, laundry for washing at a charge. 3. Rights and duties of Bailor rights. Of Bailor. Right to claim back goods after purpose is fulfilled. Right to claim compensation for damages caused by Bailee's negligence. Right to terminate bailment if Bailee misuses goods. Duties of Bailor. Disclose known faults in goods bailed. S-150. Bear extraordinary expenses in gratuitous bailment. Indemnify Bailee for any loss due to defective title. Example, A lends a defective bike to B without disclosing the fault. B is injured. A is liable. 4. Rights and duties of Bailee rights of Bailee. Right to claim expenses incurred for preserving goods. Right of lien. Retain goods until charges are paid. S-170. Right to sue third parties who damage the bailed goods. Duties of Bailee. Take reasonable care of goods as a prudent man. S-151. Not mix bailor's goods with his own without consent. S-155. Not make unauthorized use of goods. Return goods after purpose is accomplished. Example, B. Bailee mixes A's wheat with his own without consent. A can claim separation or compensation. 5. Termination of bailment. Bailment terminates in the following situations: on expiry of fixed period, on accomplishment of purpose. If Bailee misuses the goods, bailor can terminate immediately. By destruction of subject matter, gratuitous bailment can be terminated any time by bailor. Example, A gives car to B for 1 month. After 1 month, bailment automatically ends. 6. Pledge. Definition. S-1172. Pledge is the bailment of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise. The pledgor, Pawnor, delivers goods to the pledgee, Pawnee, as security. Pawnor, person who delivers goods as security. Pawnee, person who receives goods as security. Example, A pledges his gold watch with a moneylender for a loan of Rs. $20,000. 7. Rights and duties of Pawnor and Pawnee rights of Pawnee. Right to retain goods until debt is repaid, S-173. Right to recover extraordinary expenses incurred. Right to sue Pawnor and sell goods on default after reasonable notice, S-176. Duties of Pawnee. Take reasonable care of pledged goods. Return goods on repayment of debt. Not use goods without Pawnor's consent. Rights of Pawnor. Right to redeem goods on payment of debt before actual sale. Right to receive any increase or profit from pledged goods. Duties of Pawnor. Repay the debt on due date. Compensate Pawnee for extraordinary expenses. 8. Pledge by non-owner. Generally, only the owner can pledge goods. However, the Act recognizes exceptions where a non-owner can create a valid pledge. Mercantile Agent. S-178. A mercantile agent in possession of goods with owner's consent can make a valid pledge. Co-owner. S-179. A co-owner in possession with other co-owners' consent can pledge. Person in possession under Voidable Contract can pledge before the contract is rescinded. Seller in possession after sale. Seller remaining in possession after sale can make a valid pledge to a bona fide pawnee. Example: A entrusts goods to his agent B for sale. B pledges them to C, bona fide. The pledge is valid even though B is not the owner.